Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shaan Premi. आज चाहिँ Shaan Premi चाहिँ Springfield को nature center मा छ. We are here to watch animal and bird watching. So see, Shaan is very excited. And we all are excited today. Sana, are you happy? Okay, I'm following you. Oh no. Stays हो क्या परफॉर्म गर्ने यहाँ नि बाटो रहेछ हामी जाने सना तिम्रो भिडियो बन्दैछ ल for your channel. Would you like to say something? Following Sana, he is running and running. Oh my God, Sana! You're so fast. Hello, Sana. What's that?
Let me see.
Okay, let's have a look. Wombat. Sorry. Eddie note wombat. Wombat. Okay.
Look at that.
Where is that?
Torn by my window. Where is it?
Where is it?
That.
Maybe hide. You can see from here. He's sleeping.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, see. Can you show me? Oh, yeah. Thank you for showing me. Shush. He's sleeping.
Okay. Can you call Daddy? Can you call Daddy?
Daddy.
Let them to sleep. Bat is sleeping. Here, maybe one more.
Let's go.
Yeah. Inside. हामी चाहिँ नेचर सेन्टरमा छौँ. Shaan is very excited. Are you happy, Shaan? Okay, I'm sorry. Let's go. Look, Daddy is over there. That's better. Come on. This side. Look. Oh, look there. Watching you. What's that? I think it's a lizard, isn't it? Python is somewhere here. Python. Here, Sorpa. Python. Sana, come here. Python, look here. Python, look here. I know, real. Sorpa. Look here. Python. Lizard also here. Chal here. मरेको कहाँ लाग्छ त? हजुरले के देख्नु भएको छ यो चाहिँ जमिन खोलेर बनाएको खोपेर देखाइदिनु हेर्नु न लिजोर यत्तिकै बसिरहेको क्या हेर्नु न बसिरहेको होइन रियल हो नि यो थाहा पाउनु नि त रियल हो नि Shaan, we got this here. We got this. We'll have a look. It's really hot. So they might hiding somewhere. Look, Shaan, I'll show you. Come here. Over there. Did you see it?
Hiding somewhere. Maybe sleeping somewhere. You can see here.
अहिले ट्री भन्छ अहिले
दिनैभरि बस्थ्यो
Here. Which one?
last time that one. ऊ जानु खोजेको त्यही हो कुमार ऊ भन्छ You want to go there in the red house?
No.
Cave. Cave. These things have lasting impacts on people, like more. Here. Daddy, let me show you. Here. Daddy, let me show you.